Hello everyone, today I'm gonna share very delicious and healthy truffles which you can put together very easily with minimal ingredients. Let's very quickly see the recipe. First I soaked 1/3 cup of walnut for about an hour. It is always better to soak all the nuts before you have them. It helps in greater absorption of nutrients by the body, and also walnut tastes better after soaking. And then discard the soaked water and finally chop and keep them aside. And I soaked 10 to 12 dates as well in hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes just to soften them up. If you have really soft dates, you don't need to soak it. Then remove the pits. Then take them to the food processor along with 2 tablespoons peanut butter and a pinch of salt as well. If you're using salted peanut butter, you don't need to add the salt. Then goes in little vanilla powder. You can also use vanilla essence or extract. And process them until really smooth. You can use blender as well. If you have no blender, mash them with a fork until everything combined really well. See, it should be like this. Now transfer them to a bowl. It will be a bit sticky. Now add our chopped walnut to it along with 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut. You can opt them out if you don't like the coconut. Mix everything really well. Then I took our dates mixture and made them to smooth balls like this. It was about 1.5 teaspoons. Make your preferred size, big or small, as you like. I got 14 balls of this size. Then I took some chocolate in a bowl. You can use chocolate chips as well. Then I added 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Melted butter can also be used. Then I melted in microwave for 30 seconds. You can also use double boiler. It should be smooth like this. Then dip our dates balls to chocolate glaze and keep them in parchment lined plate. Then I sprinkle few of them with desiccated coconut and some with sesame seeds. Then keep them in refrigerator for half an hour or in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. We just need the chocolate to set. Our delicious healthy truffles are ready. Believe me, they taste really great and you can have them without any guilt. You can make a big batch and store them in refrigerator. Kids also will really love it. Please do try and let us know the feedback. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.